What's up, everybody? Today I will be showing you how to make these awesome solar lights under $15. So if you're interested in seeing how I made these beautiful solar lights that light up at night, then stay tuned. So what you need to make these lights is a solar light stake, which you can find at the Dollar Tree or at your local Walmart for 94 cents. Also some little stones to go inside to keep it from blowing away, and a glass bottle color of your choice. Now I chose these three colors because they match the stained glass windows that is on our door. So you want to open up the solar light, make sure you take the strip off so it'll work. Then you just want to undo the stake and just size it in there and make sure that it's sized in right. After you put the stones in, then you just get a hot glue gun, go around the rim of the glass, and then go ahead and place your top right on the top. So this one is a little bit like small. This is really kind of no way to tell that, but yeah, so I just kind of had to force it on there, but the other ones weren't so small. So yeah, just that simple. This is the clear one that I used. I bought the clear ones because they didn't have a lot of colors, and I actually like the clear ones better than the color ones. They light up really nice. I'll show you in the rest of the video. But yeah, I also chose to put a little bit more decorations inside of the clear ones just because they're clear and you can see them better and the light really shines through. So I got yellow, green, clear, and purple as well. So I'll just do a little time lapse and show you guys exactly how to do it. So you just put the stuff in, glue gun on. I think it's probably took me like 15 minutes to do these. Like, I was done so fast. Yep, so just that simple again. So you put the stuff in. Make sure you take that little strip off though so the solar light will work. And then you just put the glue, hot glue around it, stick it down, and you're good to go. Just that simple. And the good thing about hot glue is like you can pop it off if you decide to change what you want inside. You really can put anything you want inside. I chose the stones because they're kind of heavy and I was just, not wanting them to blow away from the wind. So yeah, I did 6 of them to go on our porch. My mother did them and she actually dug a little hole in the ground and put them in the ground by her driveway. But because we have kids that ride their bikes and stuff, I didn't want them to run them over. So I decided to put them on our porch. This is our porch before the lights. We didn't sit out here too much until kind of the coronavirus has got us all stuck in the house. So many people are working on their porches right now. So this is the porch after. I did get some rocking chair cushions from the Walmart as well. They were only $5 and they kind of match our whole decor outside. So this is what they look like during the day. And they're solar lights, so they pretty much just do their thing on their own. When it gets dark, they light up and it's beautiful. It's just a beautiful way to add a little touch to your home without having to spend that much money. And it's sort of fun to do. So yeah. So a couple more videos of how they look at night. This is in the evening time, as soon as it kind of started to get dark, like when the street light comes on. Yep, street lights come on and these solar lights come on at the same time. So yeah. Like I said, the clear actually ended up being my favorite. And this is how they look from inside. So if you guys have any questions, hit me in the comment box. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. Yeah, and let me know if you decided to do something for yourself. You can tag me on Instagram at hairpiecebedpiece or on iDolled it, and hope to hear from you guys soon. Bye.